does like, you know, the vagina fairy leave one of these under your pillow?
Your period lasts a week, so probably just keep it out there.
Today, I'm going to be trying to guess girly items.
What is that? What in the suction cup?
It's one of those pore extractions. Like, stuff it.
Is this for filling out laundry detergent?
This is a blood goblet for the vagina.
Okay, so this is a menstrual cup.
Ooh! Is that for when it's the heavy flow, wide set? Yeah, Mean Girls, I've seen that.
So you do this, that
Right.
goes up,
Oh.
and then release the kraken, and that.
Release the kraken?
Come like the goblet of fire, just get the blood dashed on him in them.
What happens if you've got like a really heavy flow? You have to keep emptying it out.
Yeah, for 5 minutes. Yeah, you boil it to clean it.
You boil it? What, in your tea or something?
On a hob, yeah.
my God.
In the pot, you'll boil your
Yeah.
eggs, but in a pot next door, you'll boil it.
I struggle to like carry a cup of tea to my desk and I spill it.
Right.
So I'd be like, whoa! And it would just look like carry or something.
What the hell is that? Why are you always giving me these bizarre gadgets?
I think that's the point of the video.
Well, it's very springy. Bit like a charm bracelet.
Is this for your eyebrows? So like you go in there and then you like you pull it, and then like rip out your eyelid. Got a lot of like whip back.
Oh my god.
It's a bit, it just takes hairs off.
Yeah.
So maybe it would take a bit of my beard off if I use it. Oh no, it definitely will. I don't want to do that.
You've got to keep that hair.
I want to, yeah,
Minimal
I need
hair
it.
we've got left.
But I don't.
So this is called a spring epilator.
Basically, you bend it and then twist the handles, and it like pulls out all the hairs.
That's it.
Oh! Rosie. Oh, Rosie.
Sorry.
I got you.
Ah! Yes.
And that there is my DNA sample to make hundreds and thousands of Stefan clones.
Every girl's dream.
Weird and wonderful item do we have today? This is one of those gadgets you find in a drawer and you wish you never found it.
If you're really into like hot dominatrix, put it on like a medium setting and then...
Now I can smell burning. It's obviously time to put it in your hair.
Right, let me turn this off, get your hair in it, then turn it on.
Okay.
Because I'm shook. This is the maddest wand. This is the older wand out here.
Oh my god, because
So when I was younger, I used to light paper on fire and I used to love the way it burned.
What?
I'm assuming this is the same. Okay, what's this
why-
handlebar for?
That's just to put it down so you don't burn.
Oh, so I can, and then we drag your head down here and we let you just sit.
Be so careful, Mark.
There's smoke coming out your hair.
What?
He's a hairstylist.
A magic wand in my hands. A wizard
Yeah.
of hair. I write. Don't touch it. It's really hot.
I'm actually so proud of this
One
car.
little curve.
It's just sitting there, Rosie. It's so nice.
I think that's what I did.
Right, so that wizard speak is why I would not let you go on my whole head, because you're too immature.
I'm like a really camp Voldemort when I hold it. Avada Kedavra! The boy who lived, come to die. His hair. This is a tampon.
Well, I think I know what this one is. It's a sweetie.
Ironically, looks like a little sperm.
If you open it,
Okay.
do you think you'll know how to use it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
It's like a duster, but for your lady parts. Okay, this is different.
It's quite exciting, it's like Christmas. A visit from the menstrual fairy. When you're 13, does like, you know, the vagina fairy leave one of these under your pillow?
He looks like he's been put like a car engine and he's stuck.
Okay, so how long would you have that up for?
Your period lasts a week, so probably just keep it up there. What?
Nothing.
I mean, this could be like a nice waterbed for a caterpillar. Oh,
Hot dog.
yeah. Menstrual dog.
All right, that's enough of that one, thank you.
Look at this, there's a wrapper, there's 2 bits of plastic which is just getting chucked in the bin, and then there's this little thing which is going to get flushed into the sea. Some poor little clownfish will eat this, swell up and explode.
It's a crying shame.
Every time David Attenborough sees a tampon in the shop, he must cry a solitary tear.
Oh my god.
And it's spiky.
This is like some torture weapon.
What have we
This
got?
one could really do some damage.
I'm just expecting a blade. Oh, it's
Almost a blade.
It looks like a mini, you know, something to like if you had like a mini farm and you had to just like get it ready for seeding.
It might be one of those things that like opens up your facial pores, potentially. to let the air get in so your face can breathe.
Yeah, it's tacky. Like, it's like Spider-Man's fingers. Not that I'd know.
It's meant to like. Stop it! It's gonna bleed.
It's medieval.
Yeah.
I actually used this item about a week ago on my face.
Unibrow.
No, but thank you.
Just a guess.
It's a Derma Roller.
You can get different size needles, so you can get even longer than that, which will obviously hurt me.
Yeah. Designed by the Antichrist and Dorian Gray, apparently. In the dungeon.
It's Dorian Gray from Game of Thrones.
Nah, I'm talking about 50 Shades guy.
Christian Grey.
Same juice.
It helps with circulation in your face. It helps to get rid of acne scars.
How? In what sense? What, because you've scarred your own face? I mean, that's
Yeah,
not...
put another scar over the top.
Oh, would it work on my head? That'd be great. Imagine that. Just wake up next day with afro.
This is just kind of putting unrealistic beauty standards into perspective, really, because I've never needed to push a tiny lawnmower over my face.
Here you go. Next one.
In the shoehorn.
Look at that. Looks a bit like you could breathe out of it
Gas
as well.
mask, yeah, looks like a gas
If you were
mask.
underwater.
So either poop in it or pee in it or diarrhea in it. 1, 3, 2 and 5 in it.
And vomit it if you wanted
yeah.
to. Yeah.
I think I know what this is. Is it a she-wee?
Yeah, it is indeed.
My friend was thinking about getting one of these for festivals and just weeing wherever she wants to go.
It's a stand-up piss enabler.
Perfect.
So you attach this to your urinary tract, right?
Well, it
Does it
doesn't-
go inside or does it just go on the outside?
I think it
I
goes
don't know.
I think weeing in public is really gross and illegal and not something you should
True,
do.
very true.
Have you ever used one?
I haven't, no. But it really reminds me of when I was younger. I used to be so obsessed with those people that had like
Penises.
the big. No, I actually used to be obsessed with the big asthmatic pumps where.
I was too!
I wanted to be
I was
like
so jealous of them at break time
Same.
when they get to go just...
Next product.
Oh.
Feast your eyes.
Do you know what, genuinely again, I have no... Is it another menstrual cup?
No.
Current trends. What will a woman want?
Fidget spinners.
So you basically do that for 10 seconds, take it away and your lips are like plumper and bigger.
So what?
Press your lips around it and then
Right.
as if you're like sucking on a bottle and you want the bottle to like... No!
That sounds gross.
Is it good?
Oh my god, my cheeks feel
Does it
really
hurt?
defined. Like,
Doesn't work.
Oh my god, he's dead. He's dead.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? You look like you just come off the Titanic.
thanks guys for watching Guys Guess Girly Products.
If you like what you see, make sure to give us a like down below.
Subscribe to see more.
And don't forget to comment as well. And let us know if you've used any of these things before.
And lost a couple lip hairs using.